Sheikh Hamdan Bin Rashid Al Maktoum launch of the 5th Middle East International Dermatology and Aesthetic Medicine Conference and Exhibition, MEIDAM 2020. Sheikh Hamdan Bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Deputy Ruler of Dubai, UAE Minister of Finance, President of Dubai Health Authority. The 5th Middle East International Dermatology and Aesthetic Medicine Conference and Exhibition, MEIDAM 2020, shall be held in Intercontinental Hotel, Dubai Festival City on the 10th and the 11th of December in the presence of representatives of WHO, World Health Organization, and United Nations High Commission for Refugees, UNHCR, as a part of the Give Back program ATA, launched by MEIDAM conference to instill a culture of giving back to the community among dermatologists as well as heads of Arab and international societies. About 800 physicians and specialists are expected to attend in person over the 2 days, in addition to about 3,000 digitally from different continents of the world. Dr. Khalid Al-Noaimi admits that the 5th MEIDAM edition shall be held in the light of great medical, organizational and financial challenges for the medical and health sector worldwide in light of COVID-19 pandemic, pointing out that all governmental precautions and guidelines for hosting conferences and academic events as recommended by the Department of Tourism and Government of Dubai shall be met. A private PCR examination clinic will be available at the conference venue, where the results shall be available within hours from the swab collection in order to ensure safety of all guests and lecturers and facilitate their respective requirements whilst returning to the communities. In addition, Dr. Khalid stated that the conference shall witness presentation of many scientific and research papers regarding such pandemic, its relationship of diseases and skin signals thereof, in addition to the medical and aesthetic treatments and drugs that shall be presented, as well as new treatment methods such as biological treatments, acute chronic eczema, alopecia, etc. A number of the latest types of laser devices shall be presented at the conference. Dr. Khalid pointed that the international companies are not considering the Dubai market as starting point to the global markets due to the strategic location of the Emirates that connects the East and the West, especially that the market increase annually from 7.5% to 10%. Dr. Khalid stated that the conference shall discuss the latest developments in dermatology, aesthetic medicine and anti-aging. Various scientific workshops and parallel scientific programs shall be held throughout the days of the conference by the most skilled, qualified and experienced physicians in the world to present the latest technologies and the latest findings of human science in the field of dermatology, treatments and aesthetic medicine, backed by leading international and local companies in this field. In return, His Excellency Abdullah bin Sakat, Executive Director at Sheikh Hamdan Bin Rashid Al Maktoum Award for Medical Sciences, stated that the attendance and participation of most of the dermatology societies, as well as the WHO, World Health Organization, for a group of distinguished lecturers, whether personally or virtually, is only a clear indication of the importance that the MEIDAM conference has become international due to the scientific papers and the latest research and studies related to dermatology diseases. Bin Sakat thanks His Highness Sheikh Hamdan bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum for the directives of His Highness in supporting all scientific activities aiming to the advance of medical sector, pointing out that the awards' support to the conference is within the directives of His Highness to promote continuous medical education with the aim of providing local physicians and conference participants with global expertise to enrich their scientific and practical knowledge. Bin Sakat added that the awards' decision to support any conference is not random, but after careful review of the scientific papers which shall be presented at the conference, in addition to the caliber of speakers and the expected number of participants from the country and from abroad, confirming that the award is ready to support any conference that meets all the criteria set by the award with the aim of providing the United Arab Emirates medical community with global expertise through direct contact with international physicians.